Hello, everybody. I hope you are doing well in this sheltering in place world. And I am making this video because I'm a little rusty on making videos, so I want to practice. And also, I want to show you this cool gizmo that you may or may not decide is worth it. And it's actually called a lazy arm phone holder, and it allows you to have your phone be in the Zoom meeting with you, uh, so that during your live Zoom meeting class, you can show something besides your face. Like you can show the keyboard or the table or desk that you're working on. So you can show a notebook and show yourself writing or whatever you want to show. So I can't remember where I got mine, but they're very inexpensive. And I'll dismantle it in a second and show you what it looks like. But I have it trained on my keyboard. And then when I want to show the students something I'm doing on the keyboard so they can see what they would be doing on their keyboards, I go to that smaller screen where I've joined with my phone, push the little ... the three dots, the more dots, and I click on pin video. So I pin the video, and then that's big. And it definitely takes a lot of adjusting to get your phone where it needs to be to capture your whole keyboard. And as you see, it's in the way. It is awkward. You can see the phone in front of my face. But look, then you can show, okay, this is the escape key, delete key, return key, etc., space bar. You can show it, which is just so nice. And then what you can do, I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing this in the same meeting because it ends up with you having to adjust the position of the lazy arm again. But is that you can show your notebook. I'm just going to push my computer aside to show you. So I can have a notebook, and really I'd want the phone a lot closer to see it, but then the students can see you writing just like they were able to in class. And then when you're ready to stop doing that and go back to having them see your face more prominently, then you pin the other video, and then look, I'm back. So, okay, so what I will do is take the phone off here so that you can see this thing. Okay, so it has a clamp here that attaches to your desk or tabletop, and then this clamp here, and this is where you put your phone in. And what you want to do is practice at first, getting the positioning right, starting the Zoom meeting so you can see if your phone is trained well on whatever you're trying to train it on. Don't try to do this during the meeting or when you're recording your video. Do it ahead of time because it's tricky. All right. So let me show you. Let's see here. I think I'm going to actually be sharing Facebook and stuff. Okay, here's an example. So you can see it's very inexpensive, but you can get it from a lot of different companies. Okay, so now the question is, how do you get your second device to join the Zoom meeting? Well, there are a lot of videos that show you how to do it. And here's the one I used. You might find it a little overwhelming because it actually shows someone joining with 4 cameras. All right, where'd it go? Oh, did I lose it? Okay, well, oh, here it is. A piano teacher. He's actually got 4 cameras joining, but this is the one I liked.
Feedback loop.
Okay.
And then you have to.
So anyway, how to join a Zoom meeting on multiple cameras is the search I did, and you can find whatever video does it for you. The most important thing is to not have your second camera join with audio. If that happens, you get this big feedback loop. So you want the video to join, but not, you don't want the second camera to be participating in the meeting such that that second camera can have a conversation with the other participants. You don't want that. Okay, but that's all explained in all these videos explain that. So that's it. I hope I covered everything, and maybe you will choose to do this and maybe you will say, forget it. Okay, see you later.